down hard, guys, out here in Wisconsin. On 94 right now, headed to Baraboo. Going to the Cisco there to unload. That is my second drop. We'll be done with this load, and then we gotta go pick up our next one to go back home. Check that out, guys. It's coming down. Keeping a steady pace at 60 miles an hour. No traffic, no other cars near me, which is really nice. See, guys, that is why I hate being around other cars, because they do that stupid stuff. They're flying next to you, they're slamming on the brakes in front of you, and they cause accidents. And that right there, guys, is why I prefer to be alone in these kind of conditions. We are caked, guys. We stopped here at the Quick Trip. Look at that, caked. In Mauston. Gonna get some breakfast and go to the bathroom. Guys, we ended up getting some Denny's to go. I got Moons Over Miami. Now time to hit the road. Let's hit the road, ladies and gentlemen. We got the essentials as well. This is my favorite. I probably shouldn't be drinking it, but I really like it. Oh, y'all, I decided I should probably eat my food first before taking off. Check out the Moons Over Miami. And we're watching some It's Just a Six.
Just don't try and twist that.
Badass, guys.
Plus, it's more fun to hit with hammer.
Can you let me eat, please?
Flush with the strut. You're ready to put your slave bar
Dude,
in. Back on, brother.
Back off, bro. This is mine. Back off. Back off. Back off. Someone busted their butt already. Oh, it's a four-wheeler, guys. Got a four-wheeler that slammed into the rail. No good. Made it to our last drop, guys. We made it safe. It is coming down, guys. This storm is actually going to be going up until tomorrow, Friday. I guess the warning expires around like 3-4 in the morning, and the warning started since Thursday 3 in the morning actually. So this thing's going long. Guys, in these weather conditions, what I highly recommend when you stop is to go to the back of your trailer and clean your tail lights. All right, guys, so this is what I was talking about. See, clean these puppies, guys, because whenever you pass a car or a truck, or whenever they pass you or they're approaching you, they can't see you because of these lights, especially when the snow is like powder. It just lifts up, it literally just kicks up and creates a freaking like dust storm, and you can't see anything. So highly recommend that, guys. Make sure you do that whenever you are driving in these kind of conditions, because not being able to see your taillights is really dangerous. Really, really dangerous. All right, they gave us a door. Our appointment was for 10 in the morning, and it currently is 8 right now. We're gonna back up over there to door 58. Looks like they're plowing here. I already opened up my doors. So once I get empty here, guys, I'm gonna be heading over to Richland, Wisconsin to pick up my other load to go back home. And the way there, it's all back roads. It's literally an hour of just back roads. So being empty, having no weight on my drives and back roads, ugh, that's gonna be something. We'll see how it goes, but it's pretty windy and twisty that way, so we'll see how it goes, guys. We're empty, guys. Time to go pick up our load now to go home. Vámonos. It sure is pretty back here, guys. It's really nice. We're about 40 minutes out from the pickup. Almost there. Slowly but surely, guys. But we'll get there. We'll get there. That hill back there, guys, it was kind of sketchy. It was pretty long, a 7% grade, and it was slippery, and I was starting to catch speed, and I'm empty, so yeah, that was pretty sketchy. I mean, you're not supposed to be using your jakes going down the hills like that, but I turned those fuckers on, and I was watching my ass end, make sure it wouldn't flip out on me. And luckily it didn't, but the jakes were strong enough that it actually was trying to like whip my tail end out, but we were able to work the magic and get down safe. To our pickup. It was nasty getting here, but we're here. Time to check in. Okay, sounds good. Thank you. Yeah, bye. We got a door. And the appointment wasn't until 4 p.m. Time to open up and back up into dock 3. I'm gonna get home early, and I'll get to spend the night at home as well, which is really nice. Skip. Teaching them young. Teaching them youngsters. For the reach? Yeah. Yeah? Okay. Alright guys, so we finally delivered the Wisconsin run in Malacca, and we got my brother with me today. So he came to help out. Look how caked we are, guys. Disgusting. Look how nasty the truck is. Gross. Time to add some fuel treatment, guys, because it is cold out here. Got some Howies. Let's pour a little bit in on the tank. Alright guys, I got my cameraman today. Right, man? Alright, we got enough diesel. Now I gotta pop this thing open. This is the bottles I be popping, guys. Pour it. I'd say half, just to be safe. Maybe a little bit more than half. There we go. That way the diesel doesn't freeze, guys. We're at the Casey's, guys, and we got fuel here. It's $3.40 at the pump, and with my discount we get it for $2.90 a gallon, so it's really cheap. Get good fuel discount. Well, we just got loaded and they gave us hot cocoa and cookies. Check that out. Dude, this place is freaking quick at loading. They got trucks up the yin yang here. It's huge. So this truck in front of me right here, Martin's, he just checked in. That Hulver line's checked in after me. That one's loaded already. There's another truck on the other side over there. They're getting loaded right now. And in the back, they've got a line of like 6 trucks and 3 docks. They're literally working 3 docks at a time. And they're popping trucks out literally in 30 minutes. 53-foot trailers in 30 minutes. All right, guys, time to go home. This load, we are going to deliver it on Monday. And then Monday, we are going to reload to bring up to Minneapolis, down from, what's it called? Down from northern Iowa. This guy's waiting to get loaded. Actually, he's checking in, and then he's gonna go to the back to get loaded, and they'll load him right away. How the cookies, man? Good? Oh yeah. Guys, so the lady there with this hot cocoa, she actually makes it at home, and I had to go get a refill because it was that good. Time to go wash the babies, guys. It's time. They are dirty. My brother's up there in his Pete. My other brother's right here. He's gonna help us out. Let's go. Wash time, boys. Ain't that right, Logan?
Hell yeah.
Decided to smoke a buck, and that's his results. Gross. guys, my brother over here is falling in love with Papa Smurf, and he wants a diesel now. He wants to roll coal, and I think he wants to trade his step side OBS for my Papa Smurf. Is that right?
Yeah.
So what do you guys think? Drop a comment down below. Should we trade Papa Smurf, rust free, super clean, 150,000 miles for a LS swap 99 Chevy OBS step side single cab? Rust free, slammed, beautiful truck. What do you guys think? Drop a comment down below. Give it a little gas, man.